Alright, so what are we doing today, Leroy?
Today we are doing mud flaps because our first mud flaps failed.
Yeah, one of the rear ones fell off when I was cleaning the car. I noticed it, so we still have the front ones, which are still hanging in there, but nothing on the back. So these, well, this single is the back one. So we're gonna install these today.
And where did you get these?
Ford. Yeah,
Okay.
and thanks to a commenter from the original mud flap video.
Thank you for the recommendation.
Yes, so we will get to that. Who gave Leroy power tools?
Is it too dark or you can see me?
It's not too dark.
Okay.
I'm getting canceled for that one.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, so now we're taking the wheel off.
Oops. Jesus Christ, what happened?
Well, I did say who gave Leroy power tools.
Power tools.
Dale, no power tools!
Why did it do that?
Alright. There you go. It was untightened. And there we go. Take it from there.
You're trying to kill me.
That could have been really bad. Well, I mean, you could have damaged something, or you could have gotten hurt, but
Safety first.
Yeah.
more importantly,
Are you trying to tighten the other one? Untighten the other ones?
yeah, because it was untightened because I tightened the other side. That's why you start out slow when you're using power tools.
Well, I didn't do that.
Who did it?
This one looks tight.
Alright, switch spots.
Okay.
Alright, watch out. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh God.
Alright, so now that we're complete experts, let's put the light here. So we're gonna go in here. You gotta unplug these two things, but before you do that, this is what you're gonna need. So thanks to our subscriber for telling us the perfect amount of everything we need. So we need these, okay, which are, there's the part number, which are these little clips that will show you what to do with them. And then these screws that go into the clips. And then here's the part number for those. All right, and then one more clip thing, which, let's see if there's a, oh, I think this is the part. No, maybe not. Let's see. Well, maybe that's the part number. Yeah. And then let's unplug, start moving these things. So these are kind of fidgety and annoying.
Fidgety.
Fidgety. Skippity toilet. Alright, that's apparently new slang, so yeah, we were walking and some kids said that and Leroy said it's a new slang. Alright, so I just loosened it, now it comes out. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing here. Just get a little under it. let's see. See if there's a giant glob of paint on this one too. All right. Yuck. Oh yeah, another paint glob.
Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, I almost just got knocked my eye out with that. All right. So now we need this part.
The little clips.
Yeah. So found a little trick on the first trial. Might be easier for Leroy to do it, but let's see. So this is going to go on the front and this side on the back. So the bottom one, which goes on this part, and then the hole above. The top hole, nothing goes on. So with this part, I found if you go sideways and rotate it on, it's easier. But I'm not going to lie, this is going to be very hard to record because I kind of need to get my head in the way. See what I'm doing.
All right.
So I don't know if we're going to be able to show very much. You know what I might try to do? Because the other one I put the bottom on first.
Oh yeah, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, so yeah, actually if you just go on the bottom, you should just be able to slide it all the way up, hopefully. Let's see. Let's see. And it's almost there. There it is. All right, so that's one. And let's get to two. Oh, that bag is gone. And let's see if we can get the second one right there. That's on. Okay. Now, where's the mud flap? Oh, I didn't bring the mud flap over.
Oh, that would be helpful.
Let me speed up. Too fast. So this is the mud flap for the passenger side part number. Now we gotta put it in. It goes behind the carpeting. So you gotta get that little peg. Oh wait, let's show that actually.
What?
The little peg.
Oh, where's the peg?
Do you get it? So there's the hole all the way on the top needs this spike thing to go in, that top hole.
The very top?
Yeah.
Or the one with the
No, the very
thing?
top,
Okay.
with nothing in it. No. Want me to do it? Or you got it?
Maybe, yeah.
If you line up the other holes on the bottom, that one should go right in because you can see the ones on the bottom better.
Oh, okay, it's in the hole.
That's what she said.
Alright, so now hold it there, put the carpet thing over, and then you got these plastic clips here. Oops. And you're gonna start plugging these. So that'll go here. You know, yep.
Here?
Yep. Now that'll hold it, and then you got the one right above it. You can push that in first if you want. It's up to you.
I think it's easier to do it this way.
It's up to you. You can't, here, wait. You can't, let me see. Let me see. You're in too far. See, it's already spread.
Oh.
So you gotta pull it out. Otherwise you break it. We gotta get the gap here. So yeah, I think it's better to put the bottom part in first. Let's switch spots. Right, put the bottom part in first and then this in, because then it spreads after you put it in. And these things are cheap, so you don't want to break them. Alright, so now let's get the screws or the other plastic clip, either one. So we'll do the plastic clip. This goes on the bottom. Should go right under here. Okay, and then we just need the 2 screws.
2 screws.
Thing 1 and 2. Little screws loose. All right. This is a 7mm socket. And
Oh my god.
that's why you get an extra one.
Don't we need both of them?
Yeah. There's a joke. Tough crowd.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Okay. It's in there. And you got the other one. Oop, that doesn't feel right. Back it out. All right, and that's it.
All right, so that is the finished look. Well, without the wheel, obviously.
Yeah. We'll get the wheel on and we'll get a shot of it all done. But yeah, you could see it took like, I don't know, 10 minutes aside.
Yeah, I would say 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Yeah, and I would definitely take the wheel off if you can, because I really don't know how you would get in there without taking the wheel off.
Yeah,
It's
would be a little
my
tricky.
unprofessional opinion.
All right, so
And make sure when you're taking the wheel off, if you're using power tools, that it's on the right way, the right mode, and you start slow.
yes.
All right.
All right, so we hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button
Subscribe.
and like this video.
Yes.
All right.
Comment with tips, and we'll put the part numbers below.
Yep. We'll see you in the next one.
Here's
All right, so this is the final look.
final look, exactly. All right, you got one over there. Then you got the one over there.
Do you want me to show it from the other side? Alright, I think it turned out pretty well, don't you think?
Yeah, I think it did. I think it did. All right.
Alright, so like this video and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.